Hello everyone, quick video here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Roblox. Alright, this one would work on both web version and the application. So what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and log into your Roblox account and go ahead and locate the more options, which has the three dotted icon. Just go ahead and click on it. Alright, now once you're in here, click on settings, then go to privacy, and wait for it to load. Now once you're in here, make sure that you are on the privacy and content maturity section. All right, now once you're in here, just go ahead and click on visibility and private servers, and as you can see here, there's an option called visibility. Click on it and simply select no one. All right, once you select no one, the share activity updates will automatically be disabled, as you can see here. Then go back a bit. All right, go back and then go to communications, and if you want to, just go ahead and tick this radio button right here to no one if you want to. All right, and go back. You can just easily change the settings when you go back to the same set of settings. All right, and that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.